Hello and welcome to Bollywood Live with Aisha Ghani. After the success of Phas Gaye Re Obama, director Subhash Kapoor is back with Johnny LLB.
क्या नाम क्या बताया आपने?
जी जगदीश त्यागी जी, जॉली जॉली कहते हैं मुझे।
हाँ, कहाँ से एलएलबी की आपने?
जी लॉ कॉलेज मेरठ।
ये पीआईएल डाल दी आपने? हैं? अपील को एप्पल लिख रखा है इसके अंदर। प्रोसिक्यूशन को प्रोस्टिट्यूशन लिख रखा है।
Johnny LLB isn't a comedy, despite jokes about appeal being spelled as apple and prosecution as prostitution. Jolly LLB is a serious movie which presents a befitting satire on the Indian judiciary and showcases the arrogance of the rich, the helplessness of the poor, and the corruption of the law. Star cast include Arshad Warsi, Boman Irani, Amrita Rao, and Saurabh Shukla, among others. Writer-director Subhash Kapoor tells his story with conviction, skillfully creating a theatre of the absurd. Arshad has shown time and again in his past that he can act very well. This time again, he ascertains himself as a performer and proves that he can do a great job even in handling dramatic scenes. Boman Irani once again proves his credentials and proves that he can carry a film firmly on his shoulders alone. Saurabh Shukla is incredible and is the show stealer in many of the scenes. Jagdish Tyagi, aka Jolly, which is played by Arshad Warsi, is an advocate from Meerut who arrives in New Delhi with the desire to get hold of a case that would make him rich and famous. Jolly is lucky to get involved in a case that pitches him against one of the best lawyers in the country, which is Rajpal Boman Irani. What happens next is what Jolly LLB is all about. And the shots between Boman and the judge, Saurabh Shukla, makes you burst with laughter and also of the same time depicts the sad plight of our government institutions and highlights the challenges and struggles that a common man has to face on a regular basis. The exhausted judge reminds us that there are more than 3 crore cases pending in the Indian courts and that at one point Rajpal reminds Jolly, "Ye court hai sahab, yahan jaldi kuch nahi hota." Exactly, and parts of Jolly LLB are laugh out loud funny, but underneath the humor is an angry critique of the system, too easily manipulated by the rich and so difficult to penetrate for the poor. And now there are some loopholes as well. The clumsiest track is Jolly's love angle, which is played by Amrita Rao and which forces some unnecessary songs on us. Thankfully, 3 key characters shoulder the film on their shoulders, which is Irani, Warsi, and the excellent Saurabh Shukla playing the hapless Judge Tripathi, who turns out to be quite different from what he appears. It is surely a movie to be watched on the weekend. I would give 3.5 ratings to this movie. We are going to get back another weekend with another story with Aisha Ghani. Good night and goodbye.